Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys all having a great time. In this video we are going to see that how we can use Reart Color with Adobe Illustrator. So we did some tutorials about Adobe Illustrator. Maybe you watched our previous videos that we upload to our channel, so you can find a lot more about Adobe Illustrator. So don't be confused about the Adobe Illustrator CC and Adobe Illustrator, because Adobe Illustrator CCS has some more option, so don't be confused about that. So the other tool is going to be available on this Adobe Illustrator CC and also with Adobe Illustrator. So now we upgraded to the newest version of the Adobe Illustrator, so we are going to use the Reart Color. We already did tutorial how we can fill color, how we can use this color switch. We also did the stroke, that we can add the stroke colors and increase the size, and we can add a profile stroke, and also we have this brush definition. We can select many kind of brush available right here. And also we did tutorial about opacity and blending mode and making mask with Adobe Illustrator. Also we did the style, and these two documents setup and preference is now we don't want to talk about this because we are planning to make another video for this. So in this video we are going to see how Reart Color work in Adobe Illustrator. So we are going to click on this circle and make this shape over on the artboard. So now what we are going to do is that here we have this Recolor artwork. So if we click here, so you can see this window is going to open. So I can select the color from here. So also I can click on the color theme picker. So if I click here, from here I can select the color, but I have no color here. So this is the color theme picker. So from this all colors, the circle around it, so I can move this to anywhere on the colors, and it's going to pick me a color from the location that I'm going to put this on the specific color. So if I move this to something like this green, so it's going to select this green color over here. So what if I move this to this place, so I can move this anywhere. And also you can see this preview color that is going to show you that if I put this on this purple color, so this color is going to apply on the selected object or shape. So this is the adjustment brightness for the colors. So if I decrease this one, so you can see the brightness going to low for the color. So if I move this to anywhere, so it's going to select me the darkest color for this. So if I move this to something like the brightest one, so also I can select the brightest color from this color picker from this place. So this is how we use this Reart Color as a basic, but if you want to go with advanced, we need to click on the advanced. So what happens that this window Reart Color is going to open for us. So here you can see that this color is going to show up. So what if you want to change this? So we have this assign and also edit. So from here I can assign a color to my shape, or if I want to edit something, so we are going to click edit. So the same thing is going to open here, so we can change some color. But if you click on the display, you can see the display is going to be something like this. So from here I can pick a color of my choice. So this is a good technique, so you can recolor artwork. So from here, if you select your color, so it's going to be good, because is going to give you more varieties. From this place you can select many colors. Also, if I click on the display color bar, so only this color bar is going to show up here. So if I click on display smooth color wheel, so I can select any color from here. This is all the colors as a smooth. Also, I can insert a number for the color from here, or I can select the color switch from this place as well. So from this place, if I click and go to this art history, you can see we have this colors available, like pop art, like we have this food, fruit, ice cream. So you can see if I select this ice cream, you can see the color for the ice cream when you're trying to design ice cream logo or brand. So sometimes you can use this re-art color. Click at this color switch. This is going to show you all the color palettes for the sweets. You can see for the vegetables, like if you want to design something and you need a color for your vegetable, so it's going to show up a lot of colors here. So also you can see that we have this neutral, this scientific, and we have this skin tones, and we have many more available here, like corporate. So if I click on the corporate, so it's going to show me this color for the corporate, so you can design a brochure or something. From here also you can change. So this is all the advanced colors and ready-made that you can add and you can use with Recolor artwork. So also if I uncheck this one, so it's not going to recolor my art. So if I select this one, so this is going to effect on the selected object that I can change some color for the selected shape. And also we have this open advanced recolor artwork dialog on launch. So if I select this one, so it's not going to show me. So I'm going to click OK, and also I'm going to make a copy from this so I can show you more things with re-art color. So I'm going to select the yellow color for my second shape. So now we are going to click on the recolor art. So what happened, you can see that two colors now selected. So we didn't see the little window that's showing me here because we checked this one, so that's why it doesn't show me. If I uncheck this one and click OK, so now we are going to click on recolor art. So you can see now this window is going to open. So from here, so if I move this, so you can see this is going to affect on the selected shapes that we are moving this on this circle picking color. So here you can see that we have this color. So if I want to move this, I can move this portion to here, and if I want to change advanced, where we need to click on advanced. So now we have this advanced tab. You can go to edit and we can select more colors. So from here, if I click reset, so everything is going to be reset. And also if I click new color group, so this is going to create me a new color group here. So if I click, so you can see the new color group is going to show up, and I can double click and I can change the name. So if you select many of your shapes that you want to create a color group, so from this re-art color, you click on the new color group, so it's going to create. And also you can delete this color group from here as well. So if this one is selected, so what if I want to change a color? So from this place I can select only my specific shapes. So for a specific shapes, a specific color. So if I select this one, so if I move this to something like black, so you can see only this is going to take effect. So if I have more than shapes available for the colors, so if you select one of them from this current color, so you can change color from here as well. And also we have this adding color. So if we want to add a more color here, you can see that it's not showing me because we have no object or selected shape over here, but still we can add. And also we can add a new row, more new rows. And if I click on the random change color, so randomly is going to change me colors. You can see that random is going to select each shape. It's going to switch between them, so it's going to randomly select color for my shape. So if I want to move a color to something like this color to this palette, so we are going to click here. So also for this we can do, you can see now we have this black and we have this. So if we click back, so we can see the black is going to apply here. So if I click here, so this is also going to be apply for my shape. So it means that 50-50 I can change a color for my selected artwork. And also we have this randomly change saturation brightness. If I click here, so randomly is going to change the brightness over my shape. And also if I click on the color theme, you can see that it's going to show me the click on color buff to find them on the artboard. So you can see now if I click here, so the color is going to be not re-art color. You can see this is unchecked. So if you click here, so this is going to uncheck this re-art color. So also it's going to remove the color that was applied before for these shapes. So also we can change the colors. If we click at this point, we miss this show saturation and hue on the wheel. So now it's going to show me all this colors. So from here I can rotate this wheel and I can select any of color from this color picker. So now what happened if I click on OK, or I can click on the new color group. So this is going to create me this art color group. Click OK. So where can we find this? We can also find this over here on our color switch. So if we want to create some more this circle shape on our artboard, so from this color switch we can select these group of colors and we can apply on our shape. So this is how we use this re-art color. And also let me do not forget this, that if we assign something like rectangle, something like gradients, not rectangle, gradient. So if we click on the re-art color, you can see that I have now this color and this one. So what if we click on the advanced? So from here if we click on this one, so if we change, so you can see the gradient is actually not showing up here, because this is only for re-art color. For the gradients we have to select a different, we have to go to that gradient so we can change the color. So this is how we use this re-art color with Adobe Illustrator. So hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and you learn something. And if you think this video or tutorial is really helpful and it help you in your graphic design career, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon on the subscribe button, so you're going to be notified about our future tutorials and updates. So see you guys until next video.